Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
Remove the Tragascus Tough Lock nozzle. Remove the Tough Lock diffuser and contact tip using a 5/8 inch wrench. Ensure the liner is cut to the proper length. Using the wire and liner as a guide, install the AccuLock R diffuser and tighten with a 5/8 inch wrench. Using the wire as a guide, install the AccuLock contact tip and tighten with welpers. Reinstall the Tragascus nozzle. Only slightly larger than 1/2 inch bore nozzles. These 5/8 bore nozzles offer almost the same weld access while still providing the clearance needed for reliable gas flow and reaming to the gas holes.